Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an adjustable phone, magnetic phone holder. So I'm going to show you guys this and how it works. I'll take off my phone in a second and show you that. But okay, so this is what it comes with. It's everything in the box. So it's got all these different pieces and parts here. So I'll show you how it's going to work. I have to look up how it's going to work. So it looks like this is going to wrap around my screen. Oh, there we go. It wraps around the screen and then it tightens on. So get this started here. Oop. I have an adjustable screen mount. Man, what did I do? Made it way too big. There. Okay, so there. And then we tighten this on, this little screw on here. So it is cinching it up against the screen now. There we go. So now it is tight on the corner. And then we have this, which is the phone mount, and it is pretty adjustable every which way, whatever you want. So I can set it up here, maybe up in the corner, and then there, and then I can tighten this on here. So then it will be right there if I wanted to. I guess I didn't tighten it. There, now it is tightened right on the corner. Can you see it there? Let me aim it this way maybe. But you can kind of see it's all right there. And let me go and